Hi guys, how are you? I hope you all good. Hi guys, welcome to Modified Cooking and Vlog. I am Badru. Today I'm going to cook for you a fish kebab. Let's see how to cook fish kebab. So guys, please like the video and share it with your friends, and guys, please subscribe my channel. So let's start to cooking. For the fish kebab, I will take half kilo of fish. I boiled it with turmeric, mixed spice, and salt. I boil it with these three things. Remove the bones. I keep it here, and I have fine chopped onion. I use one onion. I chop it finely. 6 cloves of garlic. I chop it finely. Coriander leaves. Half bunch of coriander leaves. I chop uh, finely. I chop it, and then rice leaves. Also 2-3 tablespoon, and salt, mixed spice, turmeric, and potato. I use a small potato, two or 1.5 potato. This one, I boiled it. I peeled it. Now I will add one thing more: black lemon powder. Let's mix it together first. First I will mix it. Mix small this one. Mash it little, and even though this potato also. I'll mash it first. Guys, I already mashed the potato and the fish. I will add the other things here. I will add one egg, 1 teaspoon, 2 teaspoon of mixed spice, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, dill leaves, coriander leaves, garlic, onion. I will add salt. Add a little more here. I add here 4 hot chili, black lemon powder, half or 1 teaspoon. Yeah, 1 teaspoon. I will add it. Little more. I'll mix it. Yes, it will done now. I will make patties now. Make a small bowl, and I will make patties like that. Then we will fry it in oil. Guys, I keep oil here in the pan. I will heat it now. Then I will fry the fish kebab. The kebab is ready, guys. Right now. Guys, fish kebab is ready. Now I plate it. Here it is, the fish kebab. That's all for today. I hope you enjoy the video. Guys, please like my video and share it with your friends. And guys, please subscribe my channel. So I will come back with a new video. Until that, take care, be healthy, love you all.